Okay, so today we're teaching you how you can fix the Windows security error. It says you'll need a new app to open this Windows Defender link. This kind of error. So you may have noticed this when you've upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Now this is because for some reason the Windows security app and some other apps may have been deleted while you're upgrading through the process. So if you want to get it back, I'll show you how by using this tutorial. So you want to go to the Microsoft Store. And you want to go and look up Windows Terminal in the search bar. And you want to click, you want to click the Windows Terminal app, and you want to click Install. And it should just install. Shouldn't take too long. And you can close once it starts saying install. Yep, downloading. So open up the Windows Explorer, the Windows thingy. Just wait for it to install. Well then, I can look it up. Yep. Open. So you just want to open up the Windows Terminal app once you've downloaded it from Microsoft Store. Let's try that again. And make sure you click Run as Administrator, or else there might be some errors, because this command requires obviously your full privileges. So administrator Windows PowerShell, and you notice you'll have your directory and then your name. It's just a nickname, and yeah, that's pretty cool. So you want to go to the video's description, and you want to get these two commands. Now you want to open up Notepad, and you want to copy and paste those two commands from the description to here. Now, copy this, copy, and you want to paste it here. And, yep, it should just start downloading. And by the way, by this installs, you can also experiment some stuff around with the Windows Terminal. So this is kind of like a new version of the Windows command prompt. So you can use Ubuntu WSL. Obviously I don't have the WSL application installed on here, but you can have Ubuntu on here. You can also use Azure command prompt, the old command prompt obviously. Development command prompt for Visual Studio. You won't have this, but if you have Visual Studio, then you would probably have this. You've got the PowerShell for Visual Studio. Okay, some errors. Oops. I should be fine. Yeah. Let's open another tab. It's probably going to be the same with File Explorer. We're going to have tabs. So I think Microsoft is finally understanding the whole community that we want tabs in the File Explorer. So they've added this in the Windows Terminal. Now we hopefully are going to get these in the next update for File Explorer. So let's close out this. And activity is not shown. Certain activities. Okay, just wait for this to finish itself, and then I'll come back once it finishes. Okay, so once it's finished, just open up the Windows menu. Let's go to Windows Security. Let's open up Windows Security, and yep, you'll notice we're back on Windows Security. So nothing different. It's the same thing from Windows 10. Yeah, everything's from Windows 10. So yeah, that's how you get Windows Security back instead of having that error. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Do like and subscribe, please. We're really close to 200 subscribers, and it'll be really nice if you guys do subscribe and like the video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.